Welcome members, staff, and employees, and officers of the MUSECCO Cooperative. Today, our second General Assembly. As chairman of this cooperative, I am happy to announce that our income for this year increased to 10.4%. Our assets increased to 55.8%, and our expenses decreased to 11.02%. Salute to the management and staff for the performance, and thank you for the trust and patronage of the cooperative.
We all ask of this in the mighty name of
Cooperative Pledge. As a Filipino, I am and I believe in the cooperative. Alone I am weak, but with others I am strong. So I commit myself to work, to cooperate, for all to be prosperous. Harmony, industry I will value. Cooperative affairs I will attend. Responsibilities I will assume. The cooperative philosophy I will live. One vision, one belief, one feeling. In cooperativism, my life I pledge. So help me God.
Welcome to Multi-Sectoral Credit Cooperative.